How to fix Gcash app auto back problem. So first of all you have to long press on your Gcash app and then you will find option called app info. So now you have to click on it. Then you will have an interface like this, and over here you will find an option called storage and cache. So now you have to click on it. Then you will have an interface like this, and now you have to click on this clear cache option. After that you have to go back, and over here you will find option called force stop. So now you have to click on it, and now you have to force stop your Gcash application. After that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to open your Play Store or App Store, whichever device you use, and then you have to click on a search bar, and now you have to search for Gcash. Then you will have an interface like this, and now you have to update your Gcash app to the latest version. And that is how you can solve this problem. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.